What's going on, y'all? It is Chris with pennies2thousands.com. I want to show you this Influence app, how you can get paid to answer questions. And like the question that you're going to answer, like each one is like $1. So I'm going to show you how it works. It's very easy, very simple. It's free to use. So first I'm going to show you my balance right here. I have $2.50 in my account, and right now I don't have any questions available for me. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go back. I'm going to click on unlock more video questions. And I'm going to just basically answer some questions here. Now, these are not the questions you will be paid for. They're just trying to find you kind of like a quick questionnaire that you can do just to put money in your pocket. So I'm just going to answer this real quick. Click on next. Go back to the home page. See if they gave me anything. And they did right there. You can see it right there live. 2 questions, $1 each. So I'm going to answer these questions. I'm going to show you how it's done. I'm going to click on it. So what you'll do is you'll read the question. And you have to answer the question in video form. So just make sure you read the entire question and you answer the question in full, because sometimes they will deny if you don't answer all of what they're asking for. So once you're ready, you'll click on start task, and you have to record yourself for at least 30 seconds. I'm going to, just kind of fast forward this part, but for at least 30 seconds, you'll go back, you'll upload your response. And then from there, it'll take you right into question 2. Just automatically. So begin question 2 of 2. Again, just look at what the question is asking you and make sure in your video you're answering everything that they're asking for. All right. So once you've done that, you click on start task again. Again, I'll fast forward this part. But once you get done recording yourself for at least 30 seconds, you just upload it. And then from there, you just have to wait for them to credit you, which it doesn't take long for them to credit you. I would say in less than an hour, you'll receive your money in your account. All right. So I go back to the home page right now. That's how you do it. I could unlock more video questions, but I just want to show you how easy and simple it is to, get paid on this app, just answering questions. When you're out of questions, unlock more video questions is the best way to go. I'm not saying it'll happen every time, but it happens, I would say, at least 50% of the time. When you hit that, you'll get more questions added to you, because if that box is available, that means they have something out there. They just have to see what fits you best when you're answering the questionnaire. So that's how you use this app. Again, just unlock more video questions, or sometimes you just come on the app in general and there'll be questions for you. But, if you really want to make the most out of your money or your time on this app, just, continue to unlock more video questions and getting paid $1 each. All right. So you need a minimum of $10 in order to cash out with this app. You can use your PayPal account, and they pay you like within the next couple of hours after you request your payout. All right. So I'll leave the link to sign up with this app in the description. You can use your iPhone, your Android device. It doesn't matter. It's completely free to use. So get started with the link in the description. And always remember, every penny counts. If you're interested in making even more money, I highly encourage you guys to visit my website, pennies2thousands.com. That way you can see all the free websites and apps that I use to make money. And if you want to make some real money, I'm talking about $150 every single day. I can teach you the very easy steps that anybody can do. All you have to do is book a session with the link below.